everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to check the disk usage of all running Docker containers. So first of all, you have images and you have containers. Those are different things and you should know about that. So first of all, let's do Docker images ls. And these Docker images, you will notice, for example, Redis will have a size of 105 megabytes. This is normal and this is the image size. So let's go ahead and run an image based on a container based on this image. And let's run a container named myRedis in daemon mode with Redis image. And if we do docker ps -- size, you'll actually get your information. So it's the Redis image, it's running 8 seconds ago, name myRedis, and you'll see that your virtual image will be, your virtual size will be 105 megabytes, just like the one in the Redis image. And you have another size which is 0 bytes. So what the hell does this mean? There are two sizes, the virtual and the size itself, and the virtual is the size of the read-only layer of the image. And this size is shared by all the other containers that are running based on this Redis image. For instance, if I create another Redis image, and if I do this, you'll see that those sizes are the same. So this is shared space, and whenever you run your container, you're not taking your more space. So this is shared by every container that is running, and this belongs to the readable layer. Again, you have also the writable layer. So this is what belongs really to this running container. For example, if you copy files to this container, like scripts or something like that, this size in bytes will increase. So that size, like you see here, it's not shared by containers because there are files there that doesn't belong to the other container, just to that one that is running. So that's basically it. Now you know what's the difference between virtual size and the normal size of a running container.